pray for us. Please pray for us, everyone. Please pray for us. Me and my baby, everyone that stay in the apartment building, we stuck right here. Please pray for us. I'm asking y'all, please. Pray for us. Pray for Abigail, please. I'm begging y'all. My baby's only 4 months old. Please pray for us. I'm begging y'all. Pray for us. The apartment building as we stay in, the whole roof came off. We standing right here. People trying to make it to the other side where this white house is, but some people the water just took them, and those are the only people that got to make it over there. Some people didn't get to make it. Everyone, I'm asking y'all, please. My baby's only 4 months old. He doesn't know nothing. Please just pray for us. I'm asking y'all. The water coming higher? Yeah. She say the baby? Go under. Yeah. What baby? So when you went there, you couldn't move the baby. That ain't no more. The thing of huh? That's this one. Yeah, that one. More than that. But you couldn't get down there like that? Get down. The current putting you strong. The baby's down. She means yeah, baby. Pray for us, please. Please, my baby's only 4 months old. Please pray for us.
That's another thing. But you don't even see no rescue, nobody. Only the roof left.
Please, the apartment building at Home Fabric, the whole roof came off. We just standing right here. Where's the I can't. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Please, everyone, pray for us. Off on Home Fabric apartment building.
We gotta move from here.
Very voice in the airplane.
Everyone pray for us, please. Please pray for us.